The simplicity of this technique is its true brilliance. Start today, see results tomorrow. Emily Carter. What if I told you there's a powerful manifestation technique that can transform your life effortlessly? Imagine waking up each day knowing that you have the power to shape your reality and achieve your dreams. Today I'm going to reveal a revolutionary method that's surprisingly simple yet incredibly effective. This technique has the potential to bring about life-changing results faster than you ever thought possible. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to start manifesting your deepest desires and living the life you've always dreamed of. Let's start on this journey together and open up the secrets to effortless manifestation. Manifestation is the process of bringing your desires into reality through focused thought and intention. It's the idea that our thoughts have the power to shape our world. By concentrating on what we truly want, we can attract those things into our lives. This isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about aligning our thoughts, emotions, and actions with our deepest desires. Understanding this concept is the first step to unlocking your potential. When you realize that you have the power to create your reality, you open the door to limitless possibilities. Manifestation is about believing in yourself and the power of your mind. It's about taking control of your life and making your dreams a reality. This knowledge empowers you to move forward with confidence, knowing that you are the creator of your own destiny. You might be wondering, what makes this technique so revolutionary? The answer lies in its unique combination of ancient wisdom and modern science. This powerful method brings together the timeless principles of spiritual teachings with the latest discoveries in neuroscience and psychology. Ancient wisdom teaches us the importance of intention, belief, and energy in creating our reality. Modern science, on the other hand, has shown how our thoughts can shape our brain, influence our behavior, and attract experiences that align with our deepest desires. By blending these two powerful approaches, this technique provides a holistic way to manifest your dreams. It's designed to be simple, yet incredibly effective, allowing you to harness the full potential of your mind and spirit. This technique not only helps you set clear intentions, but also aligns your subconscious mind with your goals, making it easier for you to achieve them. One of the most incredible aspects of this technique is how simple it is to practice. You don't need any special tools or complicated rituals. It's all about using your mind in a focused and intentional way. Let's break it down into easy steps you can follow daily. First, start with a clear intention. Take a moment each morning to think about what you truly want to manifest. Be specific and visualize it as if it's already happening. Feel the emotions that come with achieving your desire. Next, practice gratitude. Spend a few minutes each day reflecting on the things you are thankful for. Gratitude raises your vibration and aligns you with positive energy, making it easier to attract what you want. Then use affirmations. Repeat positive statements that support your goals. Say them with confidence and belief. For example, I am capable of achieving my dreams, or abundance flows to me easily. Take inspired action. Pay attention to the opportunities and ideas that come to you and act on them. Trust that the universe is guiding you towards your goals. By incorporating these simple steps into your daily routine, you'll start to see the power of manifestation in your life. It's easy, effective, and within your reach. Here's how you can begin implementing this technique right now. The best part is, it doesn't require much time or effort. Set aside a few minutes each day to practice and watch the magic unfold. Start by finding a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Now, clearly state your intention. What is it that you want to manifest? Visualize it in as much detail as possible. See it, feel it, and believe it's already yours. Next, practice gratitude. Reflect on the things you're thankful for in your life. Gratitude shifts your focus to the positive and attracts more of the same into your life. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. Use affirmations to reinforce your intentions. Choose statements that resonate with you and repeat them with conviction. For example, I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer, or success comes naturally to me. Be open to taking inspired actions. When opportunities present themselves, act on them. Trust your intuition and follow the path that feels right. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to these practices, you'll start to align your thoughts and actions with your desires. This simple yet powerful routine will help you manifest your dreams and create the life you've always wanted. While this technique is simple, you may face some challenges. It's normal to encounter obstacles on your journey to manifesting your desires. Doubts and distractions can sometimes get in the way, making it difficult to stay focused and motivated. But don't worry, these hurdles can be overcome. First, recognize that doubts are natural. When they arise, don't let them derail your progress. Instead, acknowledge them and reaffirm your belief in the process. Remind yourself of past successes and the power of your intentions. Staying motivated is key. Set small, achievable goals that lead toward your bigger dreams. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small, to keep your enthusiasm high. Distractions can also be a challenge. To stay focused, create a dedicated time and space for your manifestation practice. Consistency is crucial, so try to practice at the same time each day. If you find your energy waning, revisit your reasons for wanting to manifest your desires. Keeping your why in mind will help you stay committed. Remember, persistence is important. Every challenge you overcome strengthens your manifestation practice. Stay focused, stay positive, and keep moving forward. Once you're comfortable with the basics, here are some advanced tips to enhance your practice. These strategies can help you deepen your connection with your desires and maximize your manifestation results. Start by incorporating meditation into your routine. Meditation helps quiet the mind and allows you to focus more intently on your goals. Spend a few minutes each day in quiet reflection, visualizing your desires with as much detail and emotion as possible. Journaling is another powerful tool. Write down your goals, your feelings, and your progress. This practice not only clarifies your intentions, but also keeps you accountable and motivated. Reading over your journal entries can remind you of how far you've come and keep you focused on where you're going. Creating a vision board can also be incredibly effective. Collect images and words that represent your goals and place them where you can see them daily. This constant visual reminder helps keep your desires at the forefront of your mind, reinforcing your intentions every day. Additionally, practice affirmations with even more conviction. Speak them out loud, feel the truth in them, and believe in their power. The more you infuse your affirmations with genuine emotion, the more effective they become. Remember, the journey of manifestation is ongoing. The more you practice, the more skilled you become. Stay open to learning and growing, and continue to refine your techniques. As you deepen your practice, you'll find that your ability to manifest your desires becomes stronger and more effortless. Keep pushing your boundaries and exploring new ways to enhance your manifestation journey. To summarize, this revolutionary technique is not only powerful, but also incredibly easy to implement. By setting clear intentions, practicing gratitude, using affirmations, and taking inspired action, you can start manifesting your dreams and transforming your life. Start today, stay consistent, and witness the incredible changes that unfold. Thank you for watching. Believe in yourself and happy manifesting. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more inspirational content. Your journey to a better life starts now.